Morning guys, you joined me on a very wet day. It's raining quite heavily here, which is quite annoying really, because I'm doing the render cleaning. So something a bit different from patios and driveways today. We're doing a K-Rend. This is polar white K-Rend. Colour doesn't really matter, but yeah, it's polar white anyway in the catalogue. And yeah, it's got all the red algae. We had some other sort of just different types of algae on there, various different like black ones and things like that. But the red algae is obviously the major proponent of the issue. And we've just laid our first treatment on the wall. So you can see a lot of the wall's actually cleaned up. A lot of the red marks have cleaned up some. They're getting brighter as obviously the surrounding area gets cleaned. So what we're going to do, we'll keep treating this several more times, especially up the top because it's hard to reach with the jets that I have. I may have to go get a ladder, but yeah, so stay tuned, enjoy, and like and subscribe. Okay guys, we are getting there. I kind of, at this point, I refuse to leave until I've got rid of those marks behind me up on the top. If you can see those. They're really winding me up now because everything else, as you can see, is spotless up to the top window. It's just that section above where I struggle to reach because I don't have a water-fed pole and I'm just spraying hypo from a distance. I'm getting coverage, so it is working, it is fading them, but they are quite heavy stains anyway. So even if I did have a water-fed pole, I think I'd still have issues fading them out, you know, without a few treatments. I think that top's been treated about 3 or 4 times now. So we'll see how it turns out. I mean, I think I can get rid of them totally. It's just the fact that obviously I need to invest in the other kit, water-fed pole and a soft wash unit. But you know, otherwise I'm very, very happy with the job. Customers pleased, so you know, it's all good.
Cause it always comes back again, and I'm not even gonna pretend.
Okay guys, we are done. Just packing up the van quick and cleaned up the floor, and this is the final result. So I'm quite happy with that. There are 1 or 2 stains left up the top there, but I very, very much faded them. I just can't, that's all it is, I just can't get up there without the water-fed pole. I mean, I can spray chemical up, but I can't agitate it, whereas everywhere else I could agitate it, and you know, I managed to get rid of all the stains. I'll show you the before and after this clip, and you'll be able to tell how much has actually been done. Yeah, in the meantime, I'm pretty happy, the customer's happy, and if you watched it, this was a free job to demo the render cleaning services, show what I can do and see if people are interested, and if they are, then I'll start purchasing the kit as soon as I can afford it. It's a bit expensive for me at the moment, but you know, I think I'm going to go ahead and buy it as soon as I can, because yeah, that came out lovely, and that was without even the proper kit. I did use a bit too much hypo in the end, but that's just because obviously I can't brush it onto the wall at the moment, which would have saved me an absolute fortune in volume. So yeah, overall very pleased. So like, subscribe, comment, stay tuned for the next one.